In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a telephone hyperlink in a Mailchimp email campaign. Open Mailchimp and go to your account dashboard. From the menu on the left-hand side, select Campaigns. Once you are there, open the email campaign you want to edit in the Mailchimp builder. This will take you into the area where you can update the design and content of your email. Next, click on an existing text block if you already have one where the phone number should appear. If not, you can add a new text block. You can also use a button block and drag it into the spot where you want the phone link to be placed. A text link works well if you want something simple and clean, while a button can make the call to action more noticeable. Now type your phone number, or enter a short phrase such as "call us" if you'd prefer a cleaner look in the email. Either option works, so choose the one that fits your email design and message. After that, highlight the text using your mouse. With the text selected, click the link icon in the formatting toolbar. It usually looks like a small chain link. This opens the link settings for the text you selected in the drop-down menu. Choose the phone option. Then enter the phone number in the field provided. Be sure to include the country code, along with dashes if needed, so the number is formatted clearly and works correctly for your audience. This is important if your subscribers may be opening the email from different regions or devices. Once the number is entered, click Save to apply the link. At this point, the selected text or button should now function as a tap-to-call link inside your Mailchimp email. Before sending your campaign, it's a good idea to preview the email and send yourself a test version. Then open it on your phone and tap the link to confirm that the call feature works properly. Testing helps you catch formatting issues early and makes sure the user experience is smooth. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.